Executive Electrocardiogram Education's CME course is both for novices who need to learn the basics of ECGs and for advanced readers who want to hone their skills and who need continuing medical education credit. This 40-chapter online video course is the same material found in ECG Premium and ECG Gold, but offers 8 Category 1 American Medical Association and American Osteopathic Association CME credits. With detailed, clearly labeled pictures and understandable audio, I start with the very basics such as the components of the QRS complex, and then progress to more advanced materials such as identifying myocardial infarctions, arrhythmias, and even incorrect lead placement. Best of all, I teach you a step-by-step approach for reading the ECG from start to finish, something you don't get from other courses. As with all executive electrocardiogram education courses, it is available 24/7, 365 from any device, and is like having one-on-one tutoring from an expert cardiologist. You get 1-year access to the course, allowing you to rewatch the videos to enhance retention. Additionally, you have a year to complete the course and receive your CME credits. For more information about the course and topics, please read below.